Hello, myself, Ramkrishna. Here basically we are discussing on the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing on the topic that is feature creation. Feature creation basically we are discussing on the topic that is India account. India account basically we are discussing on the topic that is lava creation. Lava creation basically we are discussing one topic that is one project basically which was given to the set of groups basically. In this basically that group basically is going to connect to many groups basically. In this basically they might connect to the God group also. In this Sri Krishna God group, Jalaram God group, Shiv Shankar God group, like this, each and every God groups they are going to connect. Because why? Because they are going to connect to Sunilar Nayar's data. The data is that basically I have already discussed in the previous video. So here that was the basically simple stuff basically. This is basically simple for the satellite group, but not for the Earth planet. So that is basically the topic. So now again back to that 1 lakh project basically. That is basically ongoing. So in this basically 1 lakh project basically it's a huge level of project basically you can say, and this project is basically ongoing by Mumbai City. Mumbai City told that basically this project is ongoing and we are basically doing that project, and this project basically we are doing up to the level basically. We are doing up to the level, and the project basically says that we are going to design the future creation. Future creations means future basically we are designing. That basically future is what that we have already discussed. In this basically the future is what basically we are one of the person told that what is actually the future. So in this basically the 1 lakh people basically 1 lakh project basically they are going to design 1 crore child ideas next generation according to the these ideas next generation, then which all human needs from 1 lakh projects they are going to generate, that is the human need. So one of the person told that this kind of task basically governments only do, and then in government helps basically they takes the help of the Bollywood group basically. Why? Because Bollywood do basically most of display tasks. If they are doing the display task, that means they know each and every thing basically of the particular person. For example, if anybody say that basically from any satellite group told that basically we want the information of Sunilar Nair. So here basically I am taking my example only. Nobody else example basically I can take. So that's why I am taking my example. So they ask that basically we want the complete detail of Sunilar Nair. So they basically Bollywood group only basically can give the complete information of Sunilar Nair basically. Why? Or basically the another group is the nuclear power company group who basically can give the complete information of the Sunilar Nair basically. The complete information contains each and every step basically, and they basically can give up to display purpose only. The energy level task basically who can give, that the nuclear power company can give to the satellite group basically. But satellite group basically might be having each and every people information. Why? Because they have the date of birth from date of death data. For example, they if they will ask satellite group basically they can tell you the exact date of death of the Sunilar Nair also. Up to that level data information they have. So one of the person told up to this level basically the information they have. So one of the person told that this is very dangerous thing basically. So one of the satellite person told that we have the information of Sunilar Nair when he is going to die. When he is going to die. Few people say that basically when he is going to die, that information basically up to that level information basically they have basically. So you can just imagine basically what is the stuff basically. Up to what level the information this group basically have. Up to death level information if they have, that means basically they have everything basically. The example of the water basically which I told, that information also they have. So one of the person told that currently the Bangalore basically is having facing the problem. So they have to go up to this level basically. The example which I given basically up to that level basically they have to think. So that is basically the software company only basically are doing the projects. So that in India basically who are those? that is Infosys, TCS. They are the biggest project maker of the India basically. In front of the government basically, these people basically are number one software company. E-Clearx, then TCS, then the Infosys. These all are the big projects basically. So we are going to display detailed information. We are going to discuss the detail about this project company basically, how basically they design the project, how they have designed the project, and how they are designing the project. For that, basically, up to what level tools basically they have prepared each and everything. Basically, we are going to discuss in next video.